So hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will understand what is Next.js and why we use it. So we will start off this video tutorial by understanding what is Next.js. Then we will cover some of the key features that Next.js offers. And after this, at very last, we will discuss how we can get started with our Next.js app. Basically, Next.js is a React framework that helps you build server-side rendered React application with ease. So at very base, Next.js is a framework which allows us to create React app for production. It offers a robust environment for building production-ready React applications. Next.js simplifies the setup for server-side rendering, routing, and more, allowing developers to focus on building features. Next.js is a React framework. Now, React is a popular JavaScript library used to develop UI, but there are many drawbacks related to just using React. So Next.js offers versatile features. Now let's move on to the next topic and understand the features of Next.js. So very first feature is server-side rendering. So with this feature, it improves the SEO and performance by rendering pages on the server side before sending them to the client. Then the next feature is automatic code splitting. This feature optimizes page loading speed by splitting JavaScript bundles into smaller chunks. Now next feature is static file serving. So basically Next.js easily serves static file assets like images, style sheets, and client-side JavaScript files, and it also offers built-in support for CS in JavaScript libraries like styled components and CSS modules. Now, one of the key drawbacks of React is that we cannot use React to develop API. However, Next.js simplifies the backend integration by providing a straightforward way to create API endpoints for your application. Moreover, Next.js seamlessly integrates with TypeScript, providing type safety and enhance developer experience. So these are the key features due to which Next.js is so powerful and so useful. So now that we have understood the features of Next.js, let's move to the next topic and let's understand how to get started with Next.js. So to get started with Next.js, we primarily require two things. First, we require Node.js. So in case of Next.js, we need to make sure that we have Node.js version 16 or above. Prefer to use the latest Node.js version when you're working with Next.js. And next thing, you can download any of the code editors, and I will recommend to use Visual Studio Code. You can download Node.js and Visual Studio Code based on your operating system. So once we have downloaded both the things and installed both the things, we are ready to get started with creating our first Next.js project. So what I will do, I will open my command prompt here. So I am currently in the projects directory, and here only I will create my Next.js project. So to create your Next.js project, we need to write npx create hyphen next hyphen app, and then after space we need to specify the name of the app. So in my case, I will simply specify the name of the project as hello world and hit enter. So now it will start giving me some options, and like it is asking for certain response. So like first thing, it is asking if I want to use TypeScript. So as this is my very first project, I will not prefer using TypeScript, so I will specify this as no. Next, it is asking would you like to use ESLint. So again, I will specify yes for this one, and we are not going to use Tailwind, so I will specify no. Then it is asking me to use the source directory, so I want to use the source directory, so I will specify yes. Then it is asking me to use the app router, and it is also recommended, so I will keep it as yes. Then it is asking me to customize the alias, and I will specify it as no. So now it is listed down the project dependencies and dev dependencies, and it is installing all of these. So it will take little time to download and install all these dependencies. So like once this process has been completed, you can see the success message. Now if I show you in the folder, you can see now here one hello world directory has been created. So using my command prompt, I will move inside this directory using the cd command, and here I will open my Visual Studio Code also. Now after opening the Visual Studio Code, I will move back to my command prompt, and let's understand how to run this project. To run this project, we will simply use this command npm run dev and hit enter. So this will run our project at port, I guess, 3000. Once we run this command, it will run our project at localhost port number 3000. You can see the URL also, and by control clicking we can open this. So here you can see our project is running successfully, and it is also telling me to get started with this project. I can simply edit the page.js which is given under src app. So I'll go back to my Visual Studio Code, and here you can see the whole project structure. We will discuss this project structure in the coming video. Currently let's focus on editing the page.js. So under src there is an app directory, and under the app directory we have this page.js. So I'll open this, and this is the code which is rendered currently as this page. So what I will do, I will simply add one hello world heading here. Let's add hello world here. So I will take one h2 heading, and this is how you can see hello world started appearing in my main project home. So this is how we can get started with our Next.js, and in this video we have understood what is Next.js, what are the main features of Next.js, and how we can install and get started with our Next.js. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really have any suggestion or any topic suggestion or any sort of feedback, you can share this on the given email ID, or you can also use the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.